smoke comes on, the power comes up. There you see Carol with 1 foot down on the fuselage of the Stearman, her waving out there in the wind, and now she's tucked herself into the front cockpit of the Stearman, and she is thanking Stefan for once again not shaking her off the airplane during this performance. To give you a Canadian connection for the Stearman, the Royal Canadian Air Force was supplied with 300 of the Stearmans in the summer of 1942 to expand its fleet of basic trainers. They served with number 3 Flying Instructor School in Arnprior, Ontario, and 4 elementary flying training schools in the prairies. After about 4 months, they were traded in for Fairchild Cornells because the open cockpit was found unsuitable for winter training.